Welcome to Suburban DIY. My name is Rich. In this video, we do a lot of irrigation repairs. We're working on these 3 manzanillo olive trees. This one's about 5 years old, these 2 are about 4 years old, and the objective today is to get more water to them. They are from a Mediterranean climate. They've been working on the root system, but they should have grown a little bit more than where they are right now. So let's put a little bit more water. We'll also fertilize. And check this out. You'll see that we use these hardware cloths to protect the trunk, or the bottom of the trunk. You can see right here, is to keep the wet and moist woody mulch, which, by the way, is freaking awesome. We still want to get more water to it, but it's to keep the woody mulch off of the trunk of the tree so that it won't create rot. We're running 2 irrigation lines back here in this corner of the food forest. This is line number 1, which is buried under a lot of that woody mulch. And you'll see that there's a leak. So let's find that leak and maybe we'll tap in there, or we'll tap into the second line. Line number 2 is working well. We're gonna leave that alone and tap into line 1 where we've got that leak. So rather than running a 1/4 inch drip system where I'd have to puncture a hole in this, I'm actually going to use a different 5/8. Here I got a cutting of it, and you'll see that there is a hole here, so meaning it's already irrigated, and I've got it running around the olive trees to get more to the root system and to the base that has expanded. Incredible hot desert landscape. These are Thompson's green table grapes, also known as princess grapes, and they just don't do as well as all of the other grapevines that we have, and I think it's because of the lack of water. We use woody mulch as one of the key 3 remedies to help these plants thrive in this climate, which is the low desert. I've got 2 irrigation lines, 1 and 2. This is number 1 that's working right now, and there's hardly any water coming out of this. So let's see if we can fix that. Oh, there we go. today's project, we're going to be working on these rose bushes. Similar to what I just did with the grapes, I don't believe they're getting enough water. So while the temperatures are a little bit cool this morning, we're going to start fixing the irrigation. One of the 3 remedies to create a microclimate here in the low desert is woody mulch. So I've had a few inches of it here around the roses, and you saw me putting it into the wheelbarrow. So what I do here is I have 1/4-inch hardware cloth on top of the wheelbarrow. And then I separate the dirt, which is good soil, from the rest of the woody mulch. It may be hard to see on the video, but I've got 5/8 irrigation lines, 2 lines, and this is connected to line number 2. This is 1/4-inch that connects to the 5/8, and it's an inline drip system. I'd say I got more water going to it now. Those lines are clear. I put an additional drip. Let's put it all back together. That's awesome. Time to cool off. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, or write a comment. What do you like about these videos, and what do you want to see me do more? Thanks again for watching. If you'd like to see more videos on this topic, check out the Desert Garden and Food Forest playlist. Thanks for watching.